Hi, welcome to your first lesson of maths for this week. So you've got a little mental starter. So on your sheets, can you complete the one more and one less than for each number, and just put your answers in the boxes beside the number in the middle. So one more and one less. And then you have a little recap to do. So if you pause the video and fill it all in, and then if you pop that in your packs to be collected at the end of the week, the teachers can have a look at it then. Okay, let's get started with today's lesson. So we're looking at one more and one less with numbers to 50 today. So remember, when we're finding one more, it's like adding one. So if we're adding, is the number going to get greater or smaller? Well done. The number's going to get greater, isn't it? Because when we add, we get more. So, can anybody count what this number is on my screen? Remember, the big bundles are tens and the single straws are ones. So what's this number? It's 32. So because I have 3 tens and 2 ones, I have the number 32. Okay, and then I'm going to add one more straw. So does anybody know what one more than 32 is? You can use your number grids to help you with this if you need to. So one more than 32 is 33, because 2 ones, add one more one, makes it to 3. So then we've got 3 tens and 3 ones, so your number is 33. Right, what number have I got here? What is one more than 15? So adding my one more fish. So instead of 5 ones, I've now got 6 ones. So my number is 1 10 and 6 ones, 16. So one more than 15 is 16. Okay, what is one more? So how many spiders have I got here? I've got 2 full tens frames and 9 more. So 2 tens and 9 ones is 29. So what is one more than 29? If I add in another spider, I now have the number 30. So one more than 29 is 30. Okay, this time we're going to be finding one less. So I've got the same number again. So here's my 3 tens and 2 ones, which was what number? 32. But this time, instead of adding, one less is like subtracting, so it's the opposite, isn't it? So we're going to take a straw away. So take away a straw on your sheet. So 1 less than 32. If you take that straw away, what's it going to be? 31. Because 2 ones turns into 1 ones. So then the answer must be 31. Okay, I have 28 fish because I've got 2 lots of 10 and 8. So I've got 28 fish, and I want to know what one less is. So cross out a fish from the bowl. And what is one less than 28? So if I look at that 7 now, so it's 2 tens and 7 ones, 27. Okay, I have some spiders here. What is one less? So my spiders are in tens frames to make it easier for us to count. So if you count them, it should be 10, 20, 30, 40, and you're counting in your tens, so it's faster. What's one less than 40? So get rid of one of those spiders, cross them out. What are you left with? So there goes a spider. So 1 less than 40 is 39, because I've now got 3 full tens and 9 ones. So 3 tens and 9 ones is 39. Okay, this time I'm going to recap quickly what the base 10 is. Remember, those yellow ones are the 10 sticks, which is the same as 10 ones. They're just put together to make it easier to see and to count. So if you see a yellow 10 stick, they're 10s, and the red ones are 1s. Okay, so to count this number, what do I have? I've got 1 10 and 9 1s. Okay, what is one more than 19 then? 1 10 and 9 1s is 19. So what is one more? If I add in another 1, you can draw it to help you if you need to. What number do I have? There it goes. And replace it with a 10 stick to help me count it easier. So 1 more than 19 is 20. Okay, this time I've got the number 29. Now you can draw in your ones and change it to help you. So, or you could look at the pattern. If 1 more than 19 is 20, 1 more than 29 must be, there it goes, swapping it to a 10 stick. I've got 30. About this time. I've now got 39 instead of 29. So if I add in 1 more, I swap it to a 10 stick. 1 more than 39 is 40. See how the pattern's forming? 1 more than 19 is 20. 1 more than 29 is 30. 1 more than 39 is 40. It crosses over into that next 10. So the last one, 1 more than 49 is, bring in that extra 1, exchange it for a 10. So 1 more than 49 is, what number do I have now? 50. Okay, this time we're going to go 1 less, which means we're subtracting it, we're taking it away. But I don't have any ones to play with, so I need to change that into 10 ones to help me. Okay, so 1 less than 50. There it goes. What have I got now? I've got 4 10s and 9 1s. So 1 less than 50 is 49. What about 1 less than 40? So again, because I'm taking a 1 away, I need to exchange that back into 1s to help me. And there goes 1 away. Can you work out what 1 less than 40 is? I've got 3 10s and 9 1s. 39. Okay, now I've got a new number. What's 1 less than 30? And again, look, I need to exchange my 10 stick for 10 1s. Now I can take 1 away. So I have 2 10s and 9 1s. What is my number? 1 less than 30 is 29. Okay, now I've got 20. 1 less than 20 is, going to take that 10 stick away to help me, swap it for my 10 1s. Now I can take 1 away. I've got 1 10 and 9 1s. Following the pattern, look, I'm down to 19. 49, then 39, then 29, then 19. Because each time we go back from the 10s into the ones before it, they all end in 9. Okay, we need to pause the video here to think about it. True or false? 39 is 1 less than 41. Is that true or is that false? Well done if you said false, because 39 is 2 less than 41, not 1. 39 is 1 less than 40, isn't it? Okay, so here's your worksheet. So you've got to cut out the base 10. We've given you some on a separate sheet. If you don't have any scissors, you can just draw the 10s and 1s. but can you draw and show one more, or cut out and stick and show one more than 21 and then 34? Then can you show one less than 41 and one less than 30? Again, cut and stick the base 10 or draw it, but make sure you're drawing 10s and 1s. It's base 10 we want you to do. Then you've got to fill in the missing numbers, so either the number in the middle or what one less than that number is, or one more. And then there's a question. Whitney says, my number has 4 10s, one more than my number would make the 10s digit change, or my number is one more than 45. Who has the greatest number? You need to work it out, okay? And write Whitney or Dexter, who has the greatest number?